What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the gaming review on the new Galaxy A52 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. We have 3 different games on here we're going to be trying. First one, PUBG Mobile. Second, Temple Run 2, and Call of Duty Mobile. Now I'm going to be going from least graphic intense to most graphic intense. So we're going to start off with Temple Run 2, then we're going to go to Call of Duty Mobile, and then we're going to go to PUBG Mobile. If you guys have any questions or concerns, definitely leave them in the comment section down below, and I will do my best to answer them. But let's go ahead and start this off, see how it looks. Alright, so let's start off with Temple Run 2 first. Now do keep in mind that this screen is going to be 120 Hz Super AMOLED 1080 by 2400. The A52 5G is also going to have the Snapdragon 750G 5G, so that's a pretty powerful processor. Also, the speakers are very loud on this device. We're going to turn those up in a second, and this variant that I have right now is the 8GB variant, so a little bit higher than the base one, but I feel like the extra RAM was definitely worth it. But this 120 Hz screen looks insanely beautiful. Very, very nice looking screen. Honestly, at this point, if I was looking for a phone, like even if it was a flagship device, I would still go with this instead of like the S21 Ultra, because you're saving so much money and you're getting something that actually has some pretty premium specifications in it. And really, the rest of the features that you're, not getting on this device, the highest processor, the most premium material and stuff, you're not really losing out on much. I feel like most people would definitely be okay with this device, especially in 2021. But very, very sharp looking game right here on this device. Very vivid and punchy colors that we're getting, and everything seems to be running absolutely perfect. Alright guys, so the next game we're going to try out is Call of Duty Mobile. One of my favorite games on the App Store. Would definitely recommend it if you guys haven't tried it out yet. But let's go ahead and see how this looks. So we got our knife in here as well. Bye bye. This 120 Hz screen is so smooth. Oh my gosh. Alright. No hit marker, thank you. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and drop this real quick. Let's end it. Oof, got one right there. Let's see if we can get the second one. These graphics look very, very good. The colors and everything look great as well. I would definitely say that these graphics are better than the regular A52. And I feel like it's just because that 120 Hz screen, and then obviously you have a little bump in the chipset. You get the 750G instead of the 720. So looked good, ran well, and had a good time playing this game as well on this device. Alright guys, so the last game we're going to go ahead and try out on here is PUBG Mobile. This is going to be the most graphic intense game, and I'm really, really excited to see how this looks. I tested out the Galaxy A52 on this as well, so if you guys want to see the regular A52 gameplay, I'll put a link in the description down below. But it looks really, really good on the A52, and I feel like it's going to look about 2-3 times better on the 52 5G. So let's see how this looks. We're also going to test out what graphics we can set this to, and I'll also be comparing the graphic settings that were on the regular A52, just so you guys get a little bit of an idea, because I know there's a lot of people that are torn between the regular A52 and the A52 5G, so I'll go ahead and clear that up in a second. Guys, so we're locked and loaded, ready to play some PUBG Mobile, and super excited to see how this looks and what the graphics are going to be set at. We're in this little stage right here before we drop, but we're going to go and check the settings. So going into graphics, it's going to be exactly the same thing that we saw on the A52, so there are no changes whatsoever. It looks like we can't use HDR either, so the graphics are going to be set to HD and the frame rate is going to be set to high. So honestly, looked really good last time too, and I feel like this is obviously going to play better than the A52 because of that better processor, that bump in RAM, and the bump as well because we have that 120 hertz refresh rate instead of 90. So I'm definitely interested to see how this looks. All right, guys, so far, game looks beautiful. Even through my camera, this game looks really good as well. But game looks beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and mute everybody as well because that can get annoying very, very quickly. As you guys see, the topography and the foliage that we see doesn't really have to load in at the last second. We see the shapes and we see the colors are already loaded in, so it's great to see that. On many other devices, especially around this price point and even lower, we see some very, very terrible graphics when dropping in PUBG, and it really never loads in too well. So great to see that this game is loading in well. The graphics look super, super good. The shadowing also, very, very nice job on the shadowing for this game. We're gonna go ahead and try to find a weapon and see if we can get some work done on here. Also, as you guys already know, the stereo speakers on this get very, very loud. Absolutely love these speakers. I feel like the A57 5G might even be a little bit louder, to be honest. I might have to check that out later on. But we have some very, very loud and clear speakers on this. Playing this game, especially PUBG or something like, you know, Call of Duty Mobile, you guys are gonna have such a good time playing this. Super, super captivating. Trying to give my space away because everybody wants to hide in this game. Alright. Alright. Let's go and finish these two off. Where's the other guy? My guy. There we go. Alright, everyone, so everything pretty much looked good in this phone. Graphics are very nice. Sound quality, great. And the gaming experience has been great as well. So I don't really have any issues at all running PUBG on the A52 5G. And this hasn't even heated up at all yet. So that's really impressive. Oh, I guess we have one more guy. Let's end this off on the right note. There we go. Yeah, guys, game runs great. Really good stuff. Yeah, guys, all those games ran on the A52 5G perfectly. If you guys have any questions about this device, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. But hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.